Hey, it's Xavier here from Tameron Hyundai. Thank you for your inquiry on the brand new Hyundai Kona. Just here, have one right here on the showroom. It's a beautiful vehicle. Let's take a look at it. It's going to feature our daytime running lights, LED headlights, premium alloy wheels, tons of related safety features like blind spot detection and lane keep assist. Once you follow me, I'll show you inside. And this vehicle is going to feature a leather interior, also going to come with an 8-inch touchscreen display with Apple CarPlay as well as Android CarPlay, backup cam, sunroof, heated seats, Bluetooth controls at the touch of your fingertips. But that's not the best part about it. The best part about this vehicle is going to be the warranty. We have a 5-year, 60,000-mile Newport warranty as well as a 20-year, 200,000-mile powertrain warranty exclusively here at Tameron. So if you would give me a call, my name is Xavier. My number is 205-886-0890. You're going to love the way you're treated here at Tameron Hyundai.